one can see me.
Wait, you gotta get this one.
All right, I got it. Okay, you guys plan.
Okay, I'm gonna get in the hole and cover up so no one can see me. And then Seth is gonna put bread around the hole. And then we're gonna wait a while until they don't know I'm in there anymore. And then we're gonna jump out.
Okay. This is really gonna be good on YouTube, for real. Yeah, here's the bread, Seth.
Oh, you got bread?
Yeah, no, Harry did. He's into this.
He's gonna need the bread, yeah.
Now let him get in there for a minute and then lure the birds off.
Alright, that's wicked obvious.
Alright, Seth. Seth, lure him in. Seth, you have to throw bread and get the birds to come over. There you go. Oh, the plan is working. It's gonna work. It's totally gonna work. More. Now, Seth, you're gonna have to back up away from there, or else they won't come close. Back way up, Seth. All right. All right, now put a whole piece right over there. Or put a big huge chunk right near the hole. Big huge chunk, dude. So that they can't miss it. More. Now!
No!
Yeah, man.
No! That wasn't that good.
That was... They almost stepped on him.